it is time to water the plants that I have here. Some of them are growing alright. I don't know if they're growing a bit slow because when I planted them I didn't have any compost, but as you know, now I have compost because I made my own. I want to give them a little bit because I just think they might need a little bit of a feed to like kind of like, you know, give them a bit of a boost in growth. So that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them a feed, I'm going to give them some compost, give them a water, and like see how that sort of affects them or helps them. So let's do it. So it's been a little while since I've got to go hang at Tony and Den's because the rain, number one, and number two, then we obviously made the move. So it's been really busy and I haven't really had a chance to go there. So today I get to go there again. I'm going to head over now. And later on this afternoon, I'm going to be helping someone basically film some stuff. So I think it's going to be like yogurt, even though I don't eat yogurt, it's still all good, you know, help people and doing what they do. But first I'll head over, catch up with Tony and Den and see if there's some stuff that I can do in the garden. So I'm gonna head there right now.
This is how you grow lemongrass?
Yeah. Maybe when you tie like this, baby difficult. When you tie like this, baby new come dead. Yeah, that's the reason.
Whoa, I can't believe this pond. Looks so fucking cool though. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Really looks like a pond. And are they tadpoles or fish?
No, these are like fly things. They just hover on top.
No, like in there.
Oh, there is tadpoles. The other one, millions of them. You can see.
Yeah.
One near my bungalow. You can see a lot of tadpoles.
Wow. But like cool to see the little drainage system working.
Yeah.
What is it?
Big snail is actually out and is swimming. Can you see it?
Oh fuck. Whoa. Damn. I did not know a snail could swim.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Hundreds of them.
Yeah. Look, little patches of them.
Whoa, I wonder what they are
Maybe it's frogs, tadpoles.
before they start swimming.
Yeah, at the moment they're just literally a dot.
Amazing what you see in nature, isn't it? When you sit and look and there's so many things that you can see. So I don't have any mosquito repellent, but a little bit of mud will do the trick. Let's hope this ain't too wet. Just put it on. They will not be able to, I don't know, bite me, or maybe they just won't be able to smell me. But, and it's actually really nice putting it on because it kind of scratches. That clay, nice clay. I can't believe you didn't tell me you were getting up there. Damn, that's so cool. That was so cool.
Can swim.
You want to swim?
Yes.
You can swim in the pond. It's really nice.
No.
Cool. Really?
I'm
Come and have a look.
itchy.
No, it's clean water.
No, you're crazy.
Go and have a look. It's so beautiful. Cool.
No.
Yeah, no chemicals.
Oh, no. Itchy.
And you will always be, and you will always be my honey, my honey, my honey, my honey, my honey. And you will always be, and you will always be my honey, my honey, my honey, my honey, my honey. And you will always be, and you will always be my honey, my honey, my honey, my honey, my honey. And you will always be, and you will always be my honey, my honey, my honey, my honey, my honey. Now you will always be my honey, let me tell you this. There ain't a day I won't be kissing on them juicy lips. Sometimes I reminisce hard, but I don't miss the past. I just like to relive the moment you came and captured my heart. But now it's better than this.
So I was just helping paint the decking of the pool, which was really cool and really fun. And what I realised was, you know, I had a knee injury, and all of those positions that I had to get into today, I wouldn't have been able to get into in the past. I couldn't even kneel down. Check out this butterfly. Anyway, as I was saying, I've done lots of training in the past to get the mobility back in my knee, to get my knee working. And obviously I was doing it for a good cause then, but I didn't realise where it would really pay off, and what I was training for, the way I was training, didn't actually suit my lifestyle that much, because I was training to almost be fit for nature. And now I'm kind of here and it's paying off in the weirdest way, because now I need that mobility that I have, and I have it thanks to my training, which is really, really cool. Let's see what's going on in Jane's room. What are you in bed for?
I slept in Jane's bed last night. Holly came over skiing.
What happened was I woke up and I was like,
What? Is it whatever?
I woke up in the middle of the night, I was like, having a little stir, you know?
Yeah.
And then what I thought I felt was like this.
Bit hard. That sounds like it. Demonstration looked like a tarantula.
I know. And that's what I thought too. And it was pitch black, obviously, and I just went... And then like got up out of bed as quick as I could, and like I had a hunt but I couldn't find anything, and I didn't, you know, when you're hot, like you're asleep, so you don't know, was I being delirious?
Yeah.
Could it have been the charger cable? Could it have been my hair? Like I just was the comb on the pillow and it touched me? Do you know what I mean? Because there was the comb on my bed, and I'm like, I don't know whether I threw it across the room or not. Do you know what I mean? So I was just but I didn't want to risk it. It was like 12 or 1 or something, and I was like, Jane could still be awake. So I'll just message her, and you messaged back instantly. I was like, what the fuck is she doing up?
I was editing.
I know what you were doing now, but like, It's like, fucking hell, this girl never sleeps. How good is it that we have our separate rooms?
Oh,
Because you stay up late and I get up early. So that's what's going on in Jane's room. I've got to water the plants. Just tidy up my room because I'm the type of person who gets my room messy in the evening, you know, because I can't bother to tidy up in the evening. But then just like I like to have it tidy in the day. So I'm like, okay, like I just leave all my shit around in the night time, and then every morning get up and just like fix it up, and then it's fresh for the day. And then by the time I come back home, I'll be too tired to do anything. So I'll have to make it a mess and then clean it up in the morning. So that's just me. That's just how I work, you know. Gonna tidy up real quick. I've got up, tidied my room, had a shower, had some food. I've watered the plants, you know, obviously. Looking healthy. Look at that with the new compost that I've put on top. That soil looks so much better, and hopefully some of that seeps through and gives the plants a good feed. I'm well excited because these tomatoes have officially pretty much got their first set of leaves. I get attacked by mozzies, so my mum gave me these bracelets. Look, and let's hope that this works for me today, because I'm sick and tired of being attacked by mosquitoes, really. Today's a different day because this one is coming with me nice and early. Told her come chill because it's a nice vibe. Just do your work there, and I mean, chip off whenever you need to, but so she's gonna come to start with. And aren't you, Jane?
Yes, just for a little bit.
Yeah. So that's game plan.
Get your camera. Look,
That is hilarious.
it's just hanging on, yeah?
Yeah. I've never seen any sort of a frog climb. There's loads of them.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Whoa.
That was your phone.
I'm gonna make the other one go in. I'm gonna. It's the centipede. Damn, it is so damn beautiful here. So damn beautiful. Just seeing the colours right now. It's insane. It's insane. I love nature. I love the hearts. Oh, it's so light. I just don't understand. I don't understand big city buildings, and it's okay, like everyone has their thing, but I just don't understand big city buildings, concrete skyscrapers, apartment blocks. So cold, man. Those things, it's just, apartment blocks look like prisons. And with what's going on at the moment, it's like, I've always looked at them and thought, fuck living in an apartment block, because they're like stacked up in boxes and the layout's all somewhat similar or close to the same, and they just stack up, and like, you know, the doors need codes and they lock with metal, like it's like a prison. And you know, if you need a fob to get in, there is like, at any moment in time, basically those doors can just lock and keep you in there, and then you're all literally imprisoned in your own little rooms, all painted white, boxed up in rooms painted white. Quite interesting, with all the same layout, you know. I don't know, to me it seems static and cold and, I don't know, prison-like. Freaks me out a little bit. Currently, we are editing in the hammock. It was looking like there was going to be a rainstorm, so we had to finish painting the deck. And now I'm editing some content for you guys. It's nice. These hoverflies, they come and bloody clean me every single day. The absolute best bit of eating off a banana leaf is
that you can eat the banana leaf.
that we can now barbecue this and have chili oil fried banana leaf. Ta-da! Zero mess. This needs to go in a compost bin, but as you know, our compost bin is full. We need to bag it up. So at the moment it's just going in the bin. But look at that, no mess apart from on Jane's side. When you buy like a plate set and a cutlery set, like people spend quite a good bit of pounds on that.
Mm-hmm.
And you also buy all those plates and then you get like left with like plate waste. Because when you don't want your plates anymore, you've got crockery, ain't ya? Chunking up the old world. Reduce, reuse, recycle. I learned that in school.
Me too.
Did you enjoy eating off the banana leaf?
Delicious.
I'm a bloody crazy fool. I've just been sitting in here with my bloody doors open, wide as, like this. My light on. I'm surprised my room is not filled with bugs. I was deep in editing. Oh. It's looking like there's not a lot of bugs tonight, which is good because last night I got scared because I was having a nap. But I wasn't having a nap, I was asleep because it was nighttime. I woke up in the middle of the night, felt something run across my head, but you know when you're absolutely delirious at nighttime, so like it could be totally a hallucination or something. I got up and I went and slept in Jane's bed, so that's yeah, I don't know how I got there. I was talking about bugs, but currently maybe it's the storm that's helping. Maybe bugs don't really come out in the storm. There is a beautiful storm just occurring, just flashes of lightning outside the window, which is nice. Very nice indeed. I like it a lot.